get on this bridge, you're going to see the river. The River Niagara.
अच्छा रिवर नायग्रा ही चाहिए सर very new one page.
You know, to get on the other side, we are taking the Rainbow Bridge, which is later. But there are other couple of ways that you can cross, again through bridges. But the Rainbow Bridge would be the simplest because it gets straight into the Niagara city. Yeah? That's why they normally prefer the Rainbow Bridge.
Niagara City is part of what? Rakesh, so Niagara City is part of Canada complete?
No, it is both. The other side of the border is Canada, and this side will be Niagara Falls, USA.
But that's again Buffalo only.
That's again, that is USA.
That's USA.
Yeah.
In the state of New York.
That comes in the state of New York, Buffalo. It's part of Buffalo.
That was Niagara River,
Niagara River.
but
yes.
it is not so mighty. It does not.
Yeah, it's not mighty here. But as it comes to the falls, that's where it,
Okay.
it is different there.
Niagara miles is just 5 miles.
Niagara Falls.
And you'll see, as we come there, you'll see things lit up. It's very happening in Niagara because, of course, Niagara is also actually, they proclaim it as being the honeymoon destination.
Yeah.
That's what they say. So it's quite happening, quite nice, quite relaxed, quite safe, quite easy. As you come closer to the border, I will show you. We'll actually come to Niagara Falls, which is USA. And then, when we cross the bridge and cross the immigration is when we come to Niagara Falls on the Canadian side.
Washington to Niagara, how many kilometers? Distance, kilometers from Washington to Niagara. वोजा नहीं होता है इसमें वोजा 7-8 किलोमीटर.
So Rakesh, what's the total distance from Washington to Niagara?
Washington to Niagara should be around 430 miles. See, around
700
750 kilometers.
Yeah, okay. What's Jim Patton, Delhi. Jammu, Delhi.
See, we would have done around 75-80 kilometers more than coming straight from Washington to Niagara. Because there's another route which comes straight. If you have to come just driving from Washington to New York, you're talking about around 80-90 kilometers lesser. Because we go to, Hershey's a little bit and then Corning. So that takes a little bit more distance. Here they have these public buses running from Washington to Niagara. Niagara means it goes till Buffalo. And it's normally an overnight bus, what normally people prefer. So what they do is, they sit in the bus in the night, they reach early morning, 7 o'clock or something, visit Niagara Falls, and take the bus and,